Through the previous video, we have learned that peptides can be widely used in fields such as food, cosmetics, and biomedical sciences. In addition, nanostructures formed by peptide self-assembly also exhibit unique biochemical and physicochemical activities. Self-assembling peptides are widely used as novel biomaterials in the biomedical field. 1. Application in organizational engineering. The polypeptide self-assembled hydrogel can be used in bone tissue and nerve tissue engineering, which is expected to provide more clinical treatment options for bone defects and nerve repair. Over 6 million patients with bone dysfunction caused by accidents and orthopedic diseases every year. Hydrogels can be used to repair bone defects, but natural hydrogels have poor mechanical strength and stability. The self-assembled peptide, RADA16 nanofiber scaffold hydrogel, can promote bone healing and articular cartilage regeneration, which is an excellent choice for bone tissue regeneration applications, and has considerable potential. More than 90,000 people suffer from nerve damage every year. Neural injury leads to poor regeneration of nerve tissue, resulting in permanent brain injury after traumatic brain injury or neurodegenerative disease. Due to the high damage rate and difficulty in recovering from nerve damage, there is an urgent need for new material scaffolds. The self-assembled peptide, RADA16 hydrogel combines with IKVAV peptide to induce neural stem cells to differentiate into nerve cells, which can promote the regeneration and repair of nerve injury. 2. Application in wound healing due to bacterial infection, kidney disease, ischemia, diabetes and local hypoxia, a complex wound with long healing time and strong life-threatening ability is formed. The self-assembled peptide EAK16 and RADA16 hydrogel can accelerate the wound healing of skin and diabetes ulcer, and can be used as immediate hemostasis in surgery. 3. Application in drug delivery. Self-assembling peptide nanostructures have many advantages such as high drug loading efficiency, low drug loss rate, and high stability, making them excellent candidates for effective drug carriers. Previous studies have shown that coupling anti-cancer drugs with nanostructures composed of self-assembled peptides can improve drug stability and enhance drug therapeutic efficacy. In addition to the above applications, self-assembled peptides can also be used in fields such as medical testing to achieve precise diagnosis and effective treatment of diseases. Changyao Bio adopts a new synthesis technology and uses PSDVB matrix fillers for separation and purification, which can obtain high-quality and high-purity RADA16 and EAK16 series products. If you have any related needs, please feel free to contact us at any time.